Welcome to AMS Eds. In this session, we will learn to mark a few plateaus in the world. Plateaus are landforms that rise sharply to great heights from the surrounding areas, like mountains, but have flat or level surfaces quite different from mountains. As they have flat surfaces, a plateau is often called tableland. According to our syllabus, we will learn to mark, shade and label 6 plateaus. As we did earlier, starting with North America, surrounding the Hudson Bay lies the Canadian Shield. It gets its name from its shape, which resembles an ancient shield. It's interesting to note that it looks like the English alphabet C, which is the beginning letter in the name Canadian. In South America, we shall learn to mark the Brazilian Highlands and the Patagonian Plateau, the BP plateaus from northeast to southeast. Towards the northeastern part, a major portion of the land is occupied by these highlands. But in our map, we will mark it here on the eastern part, in the space between the rivers and the coastline. These are the Brazilian Highlands. Towards the southern end, again on the eastern side, lies the Patagonian Plateau. In Asia lie the Iranian, Tibetan and Mongolian plateaus. You may pronounce either Iranian or Iranian. The ITM from west to east. Between the Caspian Sea and the Persian Gulf rises the Iranian Plateau. Located just above the Himalayas is the Tibetan Plateau in China. Mark it at the origin of the rivers Indus and Brahmaputra. It is the world's highest and largest plateau. Almost to the northeast of the Tibetan Plateau, at a point amidst the lakes and rivers, we can mark the extensive Mongolian Plateau. While marking these plateaus, pay careful attention to their shapes, size and location. Use the arrows neatly and correctly to label them. You can follow the memory aids or mnemonics given here to remember the names and location of the plateaus. You may even form your own memory aids. Try it with other maps too. Good luck. Bye.